DPWH, ang pinaka-racket dyan is yung ghost project. So, walang delivery ghost project. Marami yan. Karamihan yan, it's the regional director. Ipapalabas nila na may project ito, but wala. So, the best way is to conduct an audit of those projects to determine if they are ghost projects or not. And I think they are plenty. And I dare say that ang pinakamarami siguro matanggal would be from DPWH. I really intend to clean government. At least kung hindi ko kaya, maminus-minusan ang kurakot sa gobyerno. Yan na lang ang konsuelo ng tao na mahuli at mapreso. But most of this, yung misconduct, actually, that's the administrative term. Pero kung tignan mo yan ang crime nila in the penal side, mga falsification yan, malversation. But dito sa limited kasi ang ground, pero just the same. Pag gross dishonesty, ganun yan. That's embezzlement. Ang pinakamarami, itong road right of way na hanggang ngayon, ayaw ko kung ano nangyari. This was this scandal in somewhere in Cotabato. I remember it, but I am remembering it now. Tignan ko kung tanungin ko ang DPWH kung ano ang nangyari doon. Or I will have it re-investigated. Tapos yung sa itong mga karamihan ghost projects. Yan ang ano dyan. Yung iba naman, gaya ng public works na nakita ninyo, yung kubeta na walang cover na puro nakahilira lang yung bowl ni Duro. Walang division, wala lahat. Yung mga klaseng trabaho. So,